Hello. Well, as you can see from the background, I am not in my regular area that I normally film. I'm down at Papa's hunting cabin for the day, and so I just wanted to pop in here for just a moment and share with you my weigh-in results for this week. They're not pretty, but I'm really trying my best to post something every week right now, and because I just had a few minutes, I thought, hey, I'll hop on and let you know what my results were for this week. I do want to go through just a little bit about the week. I didn't make good choices. You know, nobody ever held me down and force-fed me. Everything that I ate was a choice that I made, and so it is what it is. We ate out 3 times over the weekend, and 2 out of 3 of those times were at restaurants that I'm not used to eating at. So I tried to do okay, but I know I didn't, because when I got on the scale either Monday or Tuesday morning, I can't remember which day it was, I was up over 4 pounds, and so I knew that my work was cut out for me. I was hoping to get the weight gain under 2 pounds, but you'll hear in a minute how I did. Anyway, I'll recap. Last Thursday, I weighed in at 128.4. I was happy with that because I was down 0.6 of a pound, and I knew that I was going to need every bit of those 0.6 for this week, because I knew I was going to be eating in unfamiliar places. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention this. I had mentioned last Thursday that we were going to eat Japanese for Papa's birthday. Well, when I stopped by the restaurant to make reservations, it was closed. And so we had to pick another restaurant at the last second, and it was a steakhouse that I've eaten at before, but I don't really know what to choose, and I obviously didn't choose well. Anyway, so I weighed 128.4 last Thursday. This morning, when I got on the scale, I weighed in at 130.6. That means for the week, I am up 2.2 pounds. Am I disappointed? Yes. Am I surprised? Not that much. I knew it was coming. So I do want to end this video saying God bless each and every one of you. I hope you all have a wonderful week. And until next time, goodbye.